Hello. So, good morning, everybody. Yes, and today, just before we have discussed about the internal control, we have discussed about the objective, we have discussed about the principle of the internal control, cash, etc. And what we come to know is that internal control is very necessary to run the organization. Whether our organization will be success or not, that totally depends on the mechanism of the internal control. So another way we can say, that companies or the organization success does not depend on the employee. काम गर्ने मान्छेकोमा मात्रै भर पर्दैन, केमा भर पर्छ? Mechanism, what you said. Okay? And all these things we are not going to discuss, and today we'll discuss about the cash, how to control the cash. And me, I used to think before, and you also may be thinking, in Bhatbatan if you go, there are so many sales girls. Yes? And when they perform the duty, let's say 10 to 4 someone is doing the duty. Now at the time of going home, obviously review will be there. Their authority, their senior person will see whether how much she has sold and how much cash she has, that is matching or not. Yes? सुन्नुस् त त्यो सेल गर्यो 4 बजे पछाडी उसको एउटा म्यानेजर हुन्छ, सुपरभाइजर हुन्छ, उसले हेर्छ सेल्स बुकले कति भन्छ अनि क्याश रजिस्टरले कति भन्छ. दुईटा वर्ड्सहरु हामीले युज गर्छौं, के रे क्याश बुक, क्याश रजिस्टर एन्ड सेल्स बुक. अब सेल रजिस्टरले 1 लाख भनेको छ भने क्याश कति हुनु पर्यो? 1 लाखै हुनु पर्यो. But do you think that always match हुन्छ र? No. किनकि it is the common experience if we go and see in Bhatbatan, मैले चाहिँ बेचे अनि सामान किने, पैसा त 476 रुपैयाँ भयो. What she will do now? Can she give you 4 rupees? सम्भव भएसम्म उनीहरूले दिन्छन्. तर पनि always it is not possible. So if there is 1 rupees, she will give discount. यदि हैन 479 भएको छ भने I will give 1 rupees discount. At the last hour, at the end of the duty, now that amount will differ, and that deferred amount is adjusted by using the one account. It is called cash certain over. बुझ्नु भएको छ के खाता खोलेर मिलाउँदै रहेछ नि, मिलाउनु त पर्यो खातामा त, because we know that internal control अनुसार जे गरिन्छ त्यसको प्रमाण हुनु पर्यो. जे गरिन्छ त्यसको प्रमाण के हुनु पर्यो? हुनु पर्यो. त रिकर्ड कसरी राख्ने त? त्यसरी राखिन्छ. Is it clear? So